Hey folks, Robbie here, working on another 57 Chevy. He had some adhesive gems, so I used them for the hubcaps. Turned out pretty good. Yeah, some touch of some gold for the grill. And here's the body. Again, I used a Sharpie on this. Really liking the metallic Sharpie. This one was molded like in a turquoise, so I'm going to clear coat this. So just trying to get back into the swing of things, because I had fun building that other 57 Chevy. The tires are big and little, as you can tell. These are the kit stock tires, and then for the rear, I took the wheels from the Little Red Wagon. I mean the tires. And of course the wheels are, you know, that came with the 57 Chevy kit. But anyway, just kind of wanted to show you what I got going on. So stay tuned for some more updates. This is Robbie signing off.